Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be performing a valve cover job on this Audi A4. First thing you need to do is release all these small hoses attached to the valve cover. And a lot of them just have squeeze clamps. Squeeze with your fingers and pull out. Got a couple, got one right here, got one more right here. And here you got these two oil hoses, which I think I'm missing clamps here. So maybe this is a job that's been done before. Alright, and then next thing you want to do is unplug all these coils, which your setup might be different than mine, but to do that you just simply squeeze down. I believe you squeeze down I think my tab is broken on this one. That's why I see. Oops, there goes another one. Shit. Okay, so when we get to the valve covers, these are basically pretty broken. So I'm into the coils, pretty broken. So you just have to slide a flathead here and kind of pry out. See, that one's broken completely, and then it should fall in line. Don't go too crazy. Be patient with it. Yeah. See. Pop out. Just gotta work around all the areas on them. And then from there, you're gonna have all these little screws you gotta take off. Make sure you forget all rows. And then you should be able to pry straight up. I'll figure out about these. I don't know if you gotta take these off. I kind of doubt it, but I'll let you guys know. To remove these coils, just kind of find a little way to pry up. Should usually come out pretty easy. Just gotta pry them up. That's it. See, once you got something up in there, it'll come right up. There's also a tool for that, but I'm sure you won't need that. You see the oil everywhere on this thing. Not all the coils are bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a full service and swap them all out. So that's that. Make sure you check for oil. It's a good chance to do your spark plugs as well, so I want to take that option away from you. Okay, on to the next step. We need to remove these bad boys here. This is kind of like a butterfly clamp, a little bit different, but essentially the same thing. Cool. All right, so once you got all those off, I only have to take off one hose to get it in this position, and it's pretty free from here. So I'm going to wiggle it around and do what I need to do. But you got to be careful that if you have it in this position, I only do that because this hose was pain in the butt to take off. The big one wasn't, but the little one was. So now that you're in here, you're kind of able to see everything. So I'm pulling off the valve cover one by one and making sure I hold down the screws while I'm doing it, and I'll simply replace it. That's it. Okay, talk to you all soon. Actually, let me show you how I'm taking it off. So I'm pressing one and pulling it. I mean, it's coming off super easy. You just want to make sure that you're not getting these screws caught up in the engine or something. So I'm gonna take my time with it with two hands. All right, y'all, check it out. So this is my new gasket put in. So when you're installing these, you kind of want to push through and seal the little rubber piece in. This one doesn't. Oh yeah, it does have it. It's a perfect example I can show you right here. It just kind of fits around the body there. That ensures that when you install it, it'll get proper fitment. So make sure the little rubber piece that goes around the ring is pushed through. Your gasket should sit flush like this. And then clean this area right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab a towel. Some people like to use prep sprays and stuff like that, but I think for this simple job, This should be more than enough. So I just kind of want to make sure that you don't have any impurities on the base when you're sealing it. Let's work a little bit more down here. Okay. Alright, there should make it ready to go. So to reverse install this, aligning it, all the hoses back on, and let's see where that goes. I highly recommend tightening one in the middle, on the sides, and then working your way in. That way you get proper fitment all around. It should be easy to go in. It should be sliding in no problem. So if you're having any issues with that, go around and double check that it's all sealed around. You should be good to go.